Okay, friends, so this is what I got here is the remote control from Smart Electrician. That's what it looks like. I bought this on my own. This is not a sponsored video. This thing's right here. So I originally had done a video with this and had the box. It's gonna go like this. It's gonna turn on. It's gonna go like this. It's gonna turn off. So I got a remote control for the turbine. Okay, this is what I'm using. It's a 15 amp. It's a grounded outlet, just so you know. It works. So I got it plugged into a cord. Now turn it on. It turns on. Turn it off. Turns off. It was for my turbine sprayer that I figured I might use this, but then I decided, well, I could use it for another purpose. And that is, let's say you're working, doing a lot of work, you get the music going, and all of a sudden a commercial comes on. It's the same annoying commercial that keeps coming on with these people out there, furniture and whatever, and they just bad actors, the way the commercial is. So I just hit the off switch and it turns them off. And then I go back to work, and then I figure, well, that commercial should be over. Boom, turn it back on. I'm going to demonstrate with static on the radio, so there's no copyright. So you can see. So let me plug this in. Okay, so now there's static, or that would be like a commercial. And I'm like, oh man, another commercial. Turn them off. Go back to work, do your taping, whatever you're doing. Commercial should be over. Turn on the music. Of course, it's static, but another commercial. So I never have to leave here and go walk over there and turn it off and then come back. Just have to use the remote control. That. All right. Thanks for watching.